So good morning. Continuation of yesterday's problem. Heading is find the integrals of the function. 1 by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. So find the integral of this. Put the star for the question. 1 by cos x minus a into cos x minus b into dx. So multiply and divide by sin a minus b. This is a start point. 1 by sin a minus b integral of sin a minus b divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. 1 by integral of sin a minus b. So for numerator I am subtracting and adding the x divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b into dx. 1 divided by sin a minus b integral of sin, it is in the form of a minus x. Take out the minus common. B minus x divided by, so take out the b common, cos x minus a into cos x minus b into dx. It is in the form of sin a minus b. This is considered as a and this is considered as b. Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. 1 by sin a minus b integral of sin a minus x into cos b minus x minus cos a minus x into sin b minus x divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. 1 by sin a minus b, split the denominator, sin it can be written as minus x minus a cos x minus b divided by, how I wrote this means using the condition sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Using that condition, sin of a minus x can be written as minus sin of x minus a. Cos x minus a into cos x minus b minus cos a minus x into sin b minus x divided by cos a minus x into cos b minus x dx, which gets cancel. 1 by sin a minus b integral of minus tan x minus a minus tan b minus x dx 1 by sin a minus b integral is minus log of x minus a minus log of x minus b minus x divided by minus 1 plus c 1 by sin a minus b. First write the positive, minus into minus becomes plus, log of b minus 6 minus log of x minus a plus c. Or you can take cos divided by minus plus log of one by sin a minus b. This can be written as minus tan x minus a plus tan x minus b dx, using the formula tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta 1 by sin a minus b integral minus log of log of secant x minus a plus log secant x minus b plus c 1 by sin a minus b log secant x minus b divided by log of, it is in the form of log m minus log n, can be written as log of m by n, log of secant x minus b divided by x minus a. Positive should be the first term and negative should be the second term plus c. This is the required answer. Next one, tan x. Next, next one is integrals on sum integrals on some particular function. Very important. 5 marks question. The first identity, prove that integral of dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Sorry, here log of secant x minus a divided by secant x minus b. This can also be written as log of cos x minus a divided by cos x minus b plus c. 1 by secant can be written as cos, secant can be written as 1 by cos. So you may get confusion, so that in the textbook they had given this answer, map has been ended by this answer. If you do one more step, you will get answer in terms of cos. There are 8 identities. In 8 identities, one identity is very important and it is compulsory also. If you read 8 identities, one 5 marks question will be covered, children. So the question is dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a. Take the condition. The condition is 1 by x square minus a square, which can be written as what? 1 by x plus a into x minus a. So multiply and divide by 2a. 1 by 2a, 2a divided by x plus a into x minus a. So the 2a can be written as what? A plus a divided by x plus a into x minus a. 1 by 2a, it can be written as x plus a, adding and subtracting the x, divided by x plus a into x minus a. 1 by 2a, split the denominator plus a minus x divided by x plus a into x minus a dx. 1 by 2a, which gets cancelled, 1 by x minus a. Take out the minus common, which gets cancelled. 1 by x plus a. Now let us take the integral. So this is nothing but 1 by x square minus a square. So the integral of 1 by x square minus a square into dx. Integral of 1 by 2a into 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a into dx, which is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a minus log of x plus a plus c. 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. Log, whenever the log exists, take the modulus. Next, second identity, prove that integral of 1 by a square minus x square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. Integral of 1 by a plus x into a minus x into dx. So multiply and divide by 2a. So let us take the condition. 1 by a square minus x square can be written as 1 by a plus x into a minus x. So multiply and divide by the 2a. A plus x into a minus x. 1 by 2a into a plus a divided by a plus x into a minus x. 1 by 2a plus x plus a minus x divided by a plus x into a minus x. 1 by 2a into a plus x divided by a plus x into a minus x minus a minus x divided by a plus x into a minus x, which gets cancelled. So this can be written as what? 1 by 2a into integral of 1 by a minus x minus 1 by a plus x into dx. 1 by 2a into minus log of a minus x, because the x is negative, that's why. Or you can write it as divided by minus 1, both are one and the same. Minus log of a plus x plus c modulus of 1 by 2a sorry, this is plus 1 by 2a log of, write the first term as positive as the first term, divided by a minus x plus c. This is the second condition. Next, third condition. In these 8 identities, one identity will be asked for the exam. Is it clear? Next condition, third one. Prove that dx divided by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Let you check the answer should be in terms of tan. So let x is equal to a tan theta. So differentiate with respect to x. Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Integral of a secant square theta d theta divided by a square tan square theta plus a square. Integral of a secant square theta d theta divided by, take out a square common, tan square theta plus 1. Integral of a gets cancelled, a square secant square theta d theta, 1 plus tan square can be written as what? Secant square theta. Secant square gets cancelled, 1 by a square into d theta. 1 by a square d theta integral is theta plus c. So what is theta? You took x is equal to a tan theta. So x by a is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a square tan inverse of x by a plus c. Next, fourth one, prove that integral of dx divided by the root of a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. So we have to prove this. See the answer, we have to take it as, we have to get the answer as sine inverse. So let x is equal to a sine theta, differentiate it, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta, x by a is equal to sine theta, theta is equal to sine inverse of x by a. Integral of dx is nothing but what? A cos theta d theta divided by root of a square minus a square sine square theta. Integral of a cos theta divided by root of, take out the a square common, 1 minus sine square theta d theta. Integral of a cos theta divided by root of a square, 1 minus sine square can be written as cos square theta d theta. Integral of a cos theta divided by a cos theta d theta, which gets cancelled. Integral of d theta, theta plus c. What is theta? Theta is nothing but sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x by a plus c. Next one. Next identity, that is a fifth identity. Prove that integral of 1 by root of x square minus a square dx is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Consider the integral dx divided by root of x square minus a square. Let x is equal to a secant theta. So if you differentiate, it becomes dx is equal to a secant theta tan theta d theta. So x by a is equal to secant theta. Theta is equal to secant inverse of x by a. A secant theta tan theta d theta divided by root of a square secant square theta minus a square integral of a secant theta tan theta divided by the root of, take out the a square common, secant square theta minus 1 into d theta. A secant theta into tan theta divided by, take out root of a square tan square theta d theta. So continuation, integral of a secant theta into tan theta. If it comes out from the root, it becomes a tan theta d theta. All the identities are very important, children. Compulsory one identity will be there for the 5 marks question. Secant theta. What's the integral of secant theta? Log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. So you know that secant theta is equal to x by a, isn't it? Log of x by a. So tan theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1. Secant square is nothing but what? X by a the whole square minus 1 plus c. Log of x by a plus root of x square minus a square. If it comes out from the root, it becomes a plus c. So take the LCM. Log x plus root of x square minus a square by a plus c. Log of x plus root of x square minus a square minus log a plus c. So log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus, both are constant, I can write it as the constant, which is the required answer. Next one. Next identity, sixth identity is integral of dx divided by root of x square plus a square is equal to, we have to prove that log of x plus root of, sometimes they may give the formula or just they may ask to find the integral, children. You have to by both the question as well as the answer. Let, if plus is there, we have to take a tan theta. If minus is there, we have to take a secant theta. You remember that. For minus, secant. For plus, tan. Let x is equal to a tan theta. Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. So x by a is equal to tan theta. Integral a secant square theta d theta divided by root of a square tan square theta plus a square integral of a secant square theta d theta divided by root of, take out the a square common, tan square theta plus 1 integral of a secant square theta d theta root of a square secant square theta, a secant square theta divided by a secant theta d theta. If it comes out from the root, it becomes secant, which gets cancelled. Integral of secant theta d theta, integral of secant theta d theta, log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c, log of, so tan theta can be written as x by a. Secant, what is 1 plus tan theta is equal to secant square. If you want that, it becomes root. So root of 1 plus x by a the whole square plus c, log root of a square plus x square divided by a plus 6 by a plus c. If it comes out from the root, it becomes root of a square plus x square divided by a plus x by a plus c, log of root of x square plus a square plus 6 minus log a plus c. So log of root of a square plus x square plus 6 plus c, which is the required answer. So these are the 6 identities which are most important. In this 6 identity, you are getting derivation and one problem along with the same identity. So you learn this. Let us do some more problems on these identities in the next class. Thank you.